I think the key for the recovery of China and the better performance of China, even to cross the 100 trillion yuan mark, is only, I think, is due to the strong and the better governance system led by the Communist Party of China, because they put in place the right instruments at the right time, and everybody felt the responsibility, not only just a job. And that this is, I think, the way different from the other systems where they took it as a job. I think it will be a good signal for the world economy also, as right now the recovery of economy is very difficult. We know that the Western countries are still going through the second wave of pandemic. They have to go for the lockdown, and World Bank, IMF, all other international institutions have predicted, so the recovery will be difficult during the 2021. It will take some time. In this context, China will be a major country, can pull the other countries, can create the opportunity for other countries. So world economies or countries can also benefit from China development in 2020, especially the least developed country and the developed countries can more benefit from the China.